Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates.
Tujaffe jonna eja YouTube, Twitter, Facebook ne walala nga bulijjo buli lwakuna sawa 3 paka 5 nange saa Simon Muyanga lutaya ne Joseph Tamale Mirundi buterevu nga tuyita mu nsonga enkulu eziri mu ggwanga lyaffe n'olwaleero obwo kyo wetuli Abaganda baga nti omukalukalu tajja busera bwakwata ekyo kyakisa mutama n'atandika okuwutanya wakashizwe eno kanange lero ninde okulaba Joseph Tamale Mirundi mukwano gwa Jeno MUHOOZI kaniruga bwawutanya ebintu bino bamukwatidde mu ggolo wakati omuntu wo Mirundi.
But for you don't analyze why it is an isolation. Did the Kenya abuse Kenya?
Kenya, the former vice president.
Did the Mbabas abuse Kenya?
No, they didn't.
Did the BSC abuse Kenya?
No.
Yes.
How do you relate those to MUHOOZI? MUHOOZI.
A succession, MUHOOZI in the way. See, if MUHOOZI was another person, this is a succession battle. Yes.
How?
And I'm telling you, nze navumani abantu ngamba vumira kibanja kya kitange okuba defending kwe kunjo okamunkanyuke kasasiro mfune 1.7 million ne programu zange zo nani muzijjako. This is how
does the succession battle go to Kenya?
Anti nkubulidde kyenkubulira you wait because we call it situation evaluation. What makes me different is that I evaluate. MUHOOZI bamubaddeko era babadde bamunoonya si kyekisoose buli muntu yenna gwe baagala okujooga kuba mu gavumenti mulimu kankusomerewa akano kalaba
oyagala kusoma.
Let me tell you,
this is
anti wulira
Jeno MUHOOZI yenyini ye yakoze ekintu kye. How do you blame anybody else?
I'm telling you nti bamubaddeko always bwe yingira amaje bagamba ki. And I wrote a book.
Ayanguye mangu, bamukoziza mangu.
Museveni agenda kusiku. One day, we went to a press conference. I saw MUHOOZI driving a military jeep in the military fatigue. I asked the president a question. Are you grooming your son like a Kim Il son? Museveni said, how? Where have you seen him? This MUHOOZI of mine. MUHOOZI is a local defense man at Kassing.
Local defense.
When Gaddafi came here, he promoted him to major. What did they say? To MUHOOZI. At that time, when Gaddafi promoted him to major.
What Gaddafi Yamudusa, it was not yet ready.
Yes. What was the time? When MUHOOZI carried out, led a successful mission in Galamba against Kony, Bagant, it was a public relations exercise for the first son. Nyai follow chronological events. Nti Kenya abatamivu abasajja batano banyu omwenge mu bbala bugenda okera ku makya ng'abana bafu naye eyali asigaddewo yakomawo mu kirabo okunywa omwenge. The guy, you mad? I'm not mad. If the beer we drank here was poisonous, nange nalibadde mufu. Bano bwe bavudde wano balina ewala gye banywedde gye basanze okwabasse. That's how Kenya decided to get another coup.
Abaganda baga nti ne gwoyagala omusalira omusango ne gumusinga n'omuliyirako.
No.
MUHOOZI is kamwaka yakasasira Uganda.
That one would be in conclusion. Nti bonna babakubye. Wali munda mu government akubaba nenti ayagala busika.
Naye ono yeekubye. Mirundi we are not agreeing on that.
Monitoringa kazibu bamuwulira. Bakuba kazibwe. Ndi kazibu agambye ente zeewase. Artificial insemination nedda. Kazibu agambye abantu bali emiyembe. When these people bakolanga foxes mu national
park. Nabanja natugamba tuwozese ebirowa.
Naye baba byogedde. They quote babakola ki? Ono yasosa okuwemula. So therefore, me am different. And this is what has made me. Nti I predict.
You are misleading different.
Political science. I'm going to start a political science institute. Analyzing issues. Nti today nabagamba nti mugenda kulwanagana. Why? Where do we get successors to the president? The first
the political
priority,
parties groom.
No,
the
first priority, a retiring president, the first priority when he has the influence to choose a successor. Because there are two scenarios.
Where you have the influence to choose?
Where I cannot choose a successor. Kakati Museveni bamubala. What are the catchment areas of a successor? One, the palace. Mu family mu musobola okujamu omuntu nga Baukulu Kinyatta.
Nemuvaamu
musika.
Ngaba bagandi kanti already wa Museveni eriyo babiri.
Ngaba Bushi. First priority kubanga mugenda okubeera orphans, mugenda okubeera the bunching bags of the new regime. Therefore, the first family must think about, can we promote one of us? Kakati mu family ya Museveni, the easily marketed person would be Muhoozi. Ono mulala ayagala tebayinza abantu bayika mu luguudo nadduka ajoze nnyo abantu beba akataka beba nakyopako beba mulaba mbalaba mu meeting bajijeeko baduse
masanyalazi
kakati bajijeeko tayinza gigumikiriza lwa bwongo baduse bajijeeko succession battle, because the only marketable person who could attract the attention to the public either was not mentored well oba asakambirize kubalabe bintu babadde bamulondoola every public. And that's why the opposition has ganged up. Museveni made a strategic decision, promote him and then apologize, because the two are different. This is his opinion. His opinion. Why did he allow somebody to go on tweets? Therefore, you know,
that's why I wanted us to concentrate on this. Knowing, for example, Tamale mumaje bannamagye tebakizibwa kwogera naye Muhoozi ayogera freely.
Tweeting, you must have handlers. Nabaga nti a handler and an advisor are different. A handler tells you ekyo kyogera. When Bush retired and brought his son, Bush Jr., he brought to Chine, an old man, to handle his son.
Now let's look at this case. Could it be that Muhoozi's handlers messed up his tweet account?
The palace is torn apart.
How do you relate this to palace?
Because the palace produced two uncompromising candidates, Muhoozi and another person, the palace has lost a candidate. The first family has lost a candidate who could be marketed. They didn't see this. That meant him. Nti omukazi bwategeera nti baawe musiraamu abaana be ne baba banywa omwenge abayita, please stop eating pork and drinking beer. Why? You'll be disqualified. Women mentor their children for future. Omwana ne bwaba akweka ebintu n'abikweka kubanga yifu yuse nti omwana yankuba anasikira ate ekitaawe. So therefore, kakati the first family has lost a candidate that he could be easily marketed. Because we didn't look at this.
Let us first of all agree nti Muhoozi ayina ensobi gye yakoze ebigambo teyabibaze oba yabigenderedde
tebamutunuulira nga Crown Prince nti gundi Muswati bamujja wano bamujjeza
ani amentalinga ba Crown Princes bano.
First family gets a priority to produce a leader,
and they have a priority.
Successor.
They have two good candidates.
Anti Odita Tunda atono yakubyono. They failed to agree on who to promote. Ndikano koka kagende kayingire mu home. Chiruba bwe yali agenda kufoka president yakwata mukazi we namutwala bamusomese how facilities behave. Muswati was taken to Britain. Mutesa was taken to Britain to be modeled.
Muhoozi was taken to Sanders.
Yes, and nkubuulidde n'afuna abalabe bangi era ntegera kikulaba kakati nekugamba, where do you get another success of the president in the party like ekyama kya mapinduzi? NRM cannot produce a candidate. No, ani kubanga yes
ogisamalize nga yonna
temuli anti ensobi gye bakola when Mbabazi tried to propel himself into power using the party structures, Museveni bwe yakomawo yazineutralizing nti apart from by-elections where a political party, so the secretariat is a political bureau, all of the brains in the country must be at where we would be seeing policies originating from the planning authority and the secretariat.
Now let us go like this. For heaven's sake, the palace inaba candidate basatu. The palace inaba basatu bawulirize.
Tobogera. Nze meeting nziraba.
Kale kanjogereko babiri.
Yes.
Eriyo Nobert Mao ne Muhoozi.
Ati chinkubuli you see first family. Mao is a neutralizer.
Mao is the son of the president.
Nkugambi.
Now is there. Yafuse member family.
What are the catchment areas in politics? I've told you the Gandhis, the Kenyatas, the Bushes, because the politics is the name and the money.
So the first family always has an opportunity to produce a successor.
If you cannot produce a successor, akusikira retiring president, muguluminga, through the party tewali, enali mutaina candidate, through government temuli. The person, the man who is
so who messed
the
up
president,
Muhoozi, according to you?
The prime minister of Ethiopia, Bamuja New York, was their representative in New York. At one time, Mokapa was the foreign minister. You groom.
So can't we make Muhoozi foreign affairs minister now? To have an opportunity to make his relation.
Kakati, what is another catchment area? Retiring presidents can rebrand their former adversaries, but it is costly. This is why Uhuru Kenyatta wanted to ensure the vice versa kwata. Nakugamba nti ne gundi ne Obasanjo foutu atiku. Eyo ekitichikula obomazo mulaba.
So Kenyatta wanted Raila to be the choice of the first family in this case.
To protect their chi. The interest too. You must give somebody who can attribute his success. That's where Mao comes in. A person who can attribute his success to you.
The first family.
Siba kuba nacho. Nena iba mulwanyisa. Kubanga is not an agreed position of the first family. This is Museveni's initiative. That's why the same people fighting Mao to create trouble in his party. Era singa Mao teyesisa muntu gena mweyala bali badde bamukubye
yabadde awedde
kyovolaba aka monitor kakubye katumbi nga Museveni afumise UPC kitale emabega. Stupidity. Why? UPC is haunted by the
abantu tubayita aka
kakati
boganti akantu
librandi your adversaries leke Mbabazi leke Mugisha Muntu is not possible.
Why? Can't the state
opposition Bobi Wine nobody can hand over power to Bobi Wine.
What are you saying?
Yes. Tewali agenda ku hand over power to Bobi Wine.
What is the alternative?
I want to tell you.
This is the alternative.
Bobi Wine bajja mulemezako bino byonna bye bakola bya kulemezako Bobi Wine who is not marketed. Do you mind when you see an important man entering a lodge with your wife anakozesa fingers?
I don't want to debate that one,
yes.
But now let us look at...
Bobi Wine is an important one. Much as the Biakola is on a self-destruction mission.
No, he's progressing actually.
Taina. Kakati
ngababadde babiri n'omwana.
Nti mukatabo kange. Anti Museveni agenda kulemerawo. This is what you are saying. Museveni agenda kulemerawo akomawo.
Okomawo.
Akomawo. Read my book. Atete nalimba nkozeko ekintu ekitayitamu. I've written a book.
Nti mwami Museveni ayinza okutaswala mu 2006 nasaawa erinnya.
Akomawo.
2006.
Anti nkubuulira. Nti Kenyatta became Prime Minister of Kenya at the age of 77. How old is Museveni? Kibaki became President of Kenya at the age of 77.
Naye tetuswalako.
Reagan became President of US at the age of 75. And the leaders become pragmatic in old age.
But would you advise him to come back?
Yes. And in monarchical societies, omukulembeze tebamukyawa. Reforms, delivering services, akwate ku corruption y'abasibalabe, ababba sente z'abantu. You rebrand yourself, you reinvent yourself. Akwate ku corruption endulu zivuge.
Singa bulijjo bwe yasukidde mu muhoozi mutale bwasukira ne mu balala. Obooli awo kyandibwanguyidde. Ne mugambe bwe mubeereeyo. Adda mu 2026 tukoleko ku birala. Adda kuliki.
Mwekubye mwekka kati nkubuulira. Ndikana katabona kawandiika dde nkubuulire tu problem gye munyi.
Sunday 5th March 2020.
Nabagamba.
Residence in Zana.
Nabagamba. Nti waliwo kye tuyita akazu. This book.
The book is called How Akazu Politics Ruins Countries. Akazu.
Nakugamba nti akazu. The political term akazu. A proliferation faction within government or a political party entered the political vocabulary from Rwanda. As stated in my introduction, the Hutu, who are a majority tribe in Rwanda, carried out a successful revolution against the Tutsis, who were the ruling minority. Majority of the Tutsis fled into exile as the victorious Hutu, like any other victor, moved against the vanquished. Okitegeera? Kakati nenkugamba nti ekintu kino akazi twakijja mu Bayibuli. The moment human beings remain without an enemy, they fight together. As long as a hostile person threatened the palace, bali tebalwanagana, they were united. Kakati babanza okuba buli muntu nani bajuga ne sente ne batugane tugende bale batuzunza ne betunuulira bokka ne beekuba. The battle originated from the palace. Bakandisi bali awo formidable ones.
So kale yo mu lubiri evolutalo
nenkugamba nti akazu, I believe it is a curse that originated from the scriptures. The Bible says that the first family on earth belonging to Adam and Eve had only 4 members. However, a serious quarrel that resulted into Abel's death. I think Abel's case was the first death reported on earth. In my opinion, Abel's death did not involve competition of a woman or wealth, because the only woman at the time was their mother. They could not fight over their mother. However, if Adam's family faced survival threats from enemies, the fear and the battle against the enemy would have united the two brothers. The human nature, to the moment you remain here together, situli basoga, yes, akati buga nti atono wawa. Era mwekutulamu nti wawa, nga muli basoga mwekka. Nti onawagira wa kyabazingo ono wawa, onawagira kyabazingo wawa.
Nga muli basoga benyini kiri mu nju ya
but if the basoga are threatened, you forget about this.
Mwena ne
mukuboolya ajja. Nti when UPC, after UPC destroying the Democratic Party, the battle entered the UPC.
So kati gwe nga mukwano gwa muhoozi wamuyambye otya?
Ati kyenkubuulira, I've been telling
because
you,
if you say he's not mentored nga mukwano gwa, have you not been mentoring him? He's your very good friend.
Whether muhoozi nkubuuzizza, this is bwe tuba tusoma intelligence nga tusoma terrorism, tukubuuza what are the tukwata omuyonga ne tukugamba who has done it? Is it El Shahab or Al Qaeda? They have their hallmarks. Nti by the time they killed the people here, Secretary of Government, nti as Bob Wine parades, his widows and orphans. Don't we have orphans and widows?
You cannot parade yours because Bobby Wine is parading people you have orphaned and widowed. Yes.
Who killed Kawesh? Who killed Kirumira? Who has been harassing me? Hiring thugs to kill me, targeting my wife. Who killed the innocent girls?
Who answer? So who killed?
Kakati nakugamba
Bobby Wine yaleseba tayaga nti njagala banda mwandu mugwana njagala banda mwandu government ya mwebefudde banda mwandu ne bamulekwa
omusajja mu Sepriane ekwensi yawandika ekitabo The Great Ponds. Abanaije ebyalo bibiri byalwanira ebidiba nga buli kimu kyagala kidominating engegezaamu. Kakati tebatandika okufa n'abeeno ne bafa. One group went to apologize to the other. Baba tuka eringa na banu baziika mu lujja balaba graves ne bagana naffe tubadde tujja wamu kakati as this man parades widows, don't we have widows?
No, the issue is not widows. The issue is how have those people become
widows? So therefore, it means there is a force that kills all of us. There is a force, an underground force that kills all of us.
Which is the force?
Force